Insalata tiepida con pancetta e funghi. There's nothing better than to start a good roast meal with a tossed salad, a warm tossed salad. And today we're gonna do just that. A salad with a little bit of warm bacon, warm mushrooms with a little bit of mustard, and lots of greens, mixed greens. So let's begin with the bacon, rendering the bacon. And you want it nice and crunchy. I'm going to cut it in lardoons. So let's see, let me cut the skin off. Just like that. And then in lardoons, I'm gonna cut it in 3 pieces like this. Because you want to see the little pieces of bacon in the salads. And this bacon is slightly smoked, and you can do just regular bacon, but a nice chunky cut so that when it's in the salad and you get it under your teeth, it tastes good. You can really feel. And we'll add to that some mushrooms. I have here champignons. Can you put any other kind of mushrooms? Absolutely. So, we'll do some Italian lessons while the bacon is rendering. Olio di oliva is olive oil. Pancetta is bacon. Mushrooms, funghi. Insalata, it's salad. Coltello is a knife. Coltello. Cucchiaio is a spoon. Cucchiaio. Okay, are you making notes on all of those? All right. This is a pretty lean bacon, and so there's nice meat in there, and it's gonna be great in the salad. So let me pick just this out. Let's... That's that. I'm gonna put the mushrooms right in here and saute the mushrooms. And I'm gonna add some salt to the mushrooms. Not too much because the bacon has some salt. You don't need to overcook the mushroom. Mushrooms in a salad are good even raw, but I like them a little warm and cooked. Okay. I'm going to discard this extra oil right here. And in the same pan, we will make the dressing with some oil, vinegar, and some mustard. Fresh olive oil. Put in the mustard and the vinegar. Be careful when you add the vinegar because wow, the fun of cooking sometimes. Don't get panicky. Just put in all the ingredients and you can close the fire off until it dies and then you continue, no problem. So I am mixing this and seeing the amount of vinegar versus oil. And I think we are close to tossing the salad. A little bit of salt. And we will add the bacon and the mushrooms all to the salad. And then the dressing. Now, I don't want to put too much dressing, so I'm going to do 1, 2, and I'm going to leave a little bit at the end. You know, I always tell you that do not overdress your salad. You always have time to add to it the dressing. Once it's overdressed, you can't take it out. And so let's put it in a clean because we're going to bring it to the table. And this needs to be eaten right away because, you know, the vegetables will wilt. But that's a good part. I kind of like that. And this kind of dressing is especially good for the tougher salads, shall we say, in the wintertime. Endive, escarole, chicory, all of those salads that are a little tougher with a little bit of heat, they mellow down. And of course, I want a little bit so I can tell you how good it is. And then I have to rush with it to the table because it will wilt. Delicious. It's warm, cold, raw, cooked. The mushrooms are mellow, the bacon is crunchy, the little mustard, oil and vinegar, just delicious. Simple to make and delicious.